While the world celebrates the rise of eco-friendly electric cars, there's a hidden danger that few are talking about, a dark side that could cost lives. Have you ever considered the silent risks of these silent vehicles? While electric cars are celebrated for their environmental benefits and cost efficiency, there are common safety misconceptions that have clouded the conversation around their potential risks. From concerns about battery fires to accidents involving pedestrians and cyclists, the safety implications of electric vehicles are often downplayed or ignored. In this video, we will delve into the shocking statistics and stories that shed light on the hidden dangers of electric cars. As the world shifts towards a more sustainable future, electric cars have emerged as a frontrunner in the automotive industry. With their eco-friendly appeal and innovative technology, electric vehicles have gained significant popularity in recent years. In 2023, 7.3% of all new car sales in the US were fully electric, up from 5.8% in 2022. However, amidst the excitement surrounding electric cars, there lies a dark reality that often goes unnoticed: the overlooked deaths and safety risks related to these vehicles. Safety misconceptions. While electric cars are celebrated for their environmental benefits and cost efficiency, there are common safety misconceptions that cloud the conversation around their potential risks. For instance, the absence of engine noise in EVs can make them more dangerous for pedestrians and cyclists who rely on sound to detect approaching vehicles. Studies have shown that hybrid vehicles, including those running solely on electricity, have a 39% higher chance of colliding with pedestrians at speeds below 35 miles per hour and a 66% higher risk when performing maneuvers like turning or reversing. Real-life cases. In the US, several incidents highlight the dangers associated with electric vehicles. New York pedestrian accident. A pedestrian in New York was fatally struck by a Tesla operating in autopilot mode. The vehicle's driver did not notice the pedestrian due to the car's silent operation and the driver's over-reliance on the car's autonomous system. Florida Tesla fire. After Hurricane Ian, a Tesla caught fire when it was submerged in water. The fire, caused by a damaged lithium-ion battery, resulted in significant damage and posed a challenge for firefighters, who struggled to extinguish the flames due to the battery's volatility. California highway incident. A high-speed crash on a California highway involved a Tesla Model S, where the vehicle's rapid acceleration was cited as a contributing factor to the severity of the accident. Chevrolet Bolt recall. General Motors recalled every Chevrolet Bolt EV due to potential battery defects that could cause fires, costing the company an estimated $1 billion. Statistical insights. Electric vehicles tend to be heavier than traditional cars due to the weight of the battery and related equipment, which can impact their safety profile. According to a study by insurer AXA, electric cars are involved in 50% more traffic accidents than their petrol and diesel counterparts. This higher accident rate is attributed to the fast and sharp acceleration of EVs, which can surprise drivers, especially those new to the technology. Despite this, occupants of electric vehicles are generally safer, with a 40% lower risk of injury compared to traditional car occupants. Battery risks. Almost all electric cars are powered by highly flammable lithium-ion batteries. Under certain conditions, these batteries can become volatile. There have been numerous high-profile incidents of battery fires. Ship fire, a spontaneous lithium-ion battery fire on a ship carrying 4,000 new cars destined for the US sunk the vessel. Indiana home fire. State Farm filed a lawsuit against Tesla after one of its vehicles caught fire while charging, causing $1.2 million in damages to a home in Indiana. Hurricane Ian fires. 8 electric cars caught fire in Florida after being submerged in water following the hurricane. Safety regulations and standards. Ensuring the safety of EVs involves rigorous safety protocols, including crash testing, battery safety, and fire prevention measures. However, there are notable gaps in these standards. For instance, the lack of standardized noise-emitting devices in electric cars to alert pedestrians of their presence has been identified as a significant safety concern. In February 2021, legislation was introduced requiring all new electric and hybrid vehicles to produce a sound at low speeds, yet the effectiveness of this measure is still under scrutiny. Manufacturer responsibility. Manufacturers play a crucial role in ensuring the safety of their vehicles. Despite rigorous testing, the electric car industry has faced several high-profile recalls. In 2021, General Motors recalled every Chevrolet Bolt EV due to potential battery defects that could cause fires, costing the company an estimated $1 billion. Such incidents underscore the importance of manufacturers maintaining transparency, accountability, and proactive risk management to safeguard their customers. Public awareness and education. Raising public awareness about the risks associated with electric cars and promoting education on safe usage are essential. Effective strategies include targeted awareness campaigns, highlighting key safety features and maintenance practices specific to EVs. Government agencies and advocacy groups must collaborate to drive meaningful change and enhance safety standards within the electric car industry. Practical tips for EV owners: awareness of silent operation. Always be mindful of the silent operation of EVs. When driving in areas with high pedestrian traffic, be extra vigilant and consider using the horn to alert pedestrians if necessary. Regular maintenance checks. Regularly inspect your vehicle for any signs of battery damage and ensure your car's software is up to date with the latest safety features. Safe charging practices. Follow manufacturer guidelines for safe charging practices. Avoid charging your EV in wet conditions and ensure the charging area is free from flammable materials. Driver training. Participate in driver training programs specific to electric vehicles to become accustomed to their unique handling characteristics, especially the rapid acceleration and regenerative braking systems. Electric car market insights. The market for electric vehicles is rapidly growing, with Tesla leading the US market, accounting for 50% of all EV sales in 2023. Other notable players include Ford, General Motors, and Hyundai. Despite their increasing popularity, it is crucial to address the safety challenges associated with EVs to ensure their sustainable growth and acceptance by the broader public. Conclusion: the discussion surrounding the overlooked deaths related to electric cars sheds light on the hidden risks and safety implications that often go unnoticed. From the lack of media coverage to gaps in safety regulations and the role of manufacturers, it is evident that critical issues need to be addressed to prevent further tragedies. By raising awareness, sharing knowledge, and advocating for change, we can collectively work towards a future where electric cars are not only environmentally sustainable but also safe and reliable modes of transportation for all. I encourage you to share this video with others, spark conversations about the overlooked deaths related to electric cars, and join the movement towards a safer and more responsible electric car industry. Together, we can make a difference and ensure that safety remains a top priority in the ongoing evolution of electric vehicles.